Let's talk about a partnership that could shake up global finance. Pi Network and SidraBank. Pi Network, with over 60 million users mining crypto on their phones, has built a massive engaged community. SidraBank is aiming to be the world's first decentralized Islamic bank. No interest, just ethical, Sharia-compliant finance. In August 2025, these two joined forces, and the digital world took notice. This isn't just hype, it's a deep integration, plugging Pi's user base into SidraBank's interest-free system. The goal? A global, AI-driven, interest-free financial ecosystem. Imagine using your Pi coins in a banking system designed for fairness and accessibility. This partnership challenges the centuries-old interest-based banking model, especially for billions whose beliefs don't align with it. By combining blockchain transparency, AI efficiency, and ethical principles, they're proposing a new way to bank. It's a bold experiment that could redefine what a bank means in the 21st century. Interest-free banking. How does that even work? In Islamic finance, interest, riba, is banned because it profits from money alone, often trapping the poor in debt. Instead, banks act as partners. They buy assets and sell them at a fixed profit or share in business risks and rewards. This model turns banks into collaborators, not just lenders. The focus is on real-world value, building businesses, creating jobs, and supporting communities. SidraBank is bringing this centuries-old ethical system to the digital age, making it accessible worldwide. Through their partnership with Pi Network, they're updating these principles for a global, decentralized platform. Imagine a digital wallet that lets you invest, borrow, and transact, without compounding interest. The vision: a financial system that's both technologically advanced and ethically sound. It's about building a more equitable, stable economy for everyone. Let's zoom in on SidraBank, the world's first decentralized Islamic bank. No central HQ, no single boss. It's all run on blockchain for transparency and security. Every transaction is public and tamper-proof, building trust from the ground up. SidraBank's mission combines Islamic finance principles with modern tech, serving a market worth trillions. Their app aims to be a one-stop hub: manage accounts, transfer funds, save, invest, and borrow, interest-free. Security features like biometrics and real-time alerts keep users safe. SidraBank's native token and decentralized exchange will connect users to the wider crypto world. Soon you'll be able to use Web3 wallets to interact directly with Sidra's ecosystem. It's a bridge between traditional Islamic finance and the future of decentralized banking. Now, let's talk about Pi Network, the powerhouse community in this partnership. Since 2019, Pi has let anyone mine crypto on their phone, amassing over 60 million users worldwide. This isn't just a number, it's a global, engaged audience, ready for real-world utility. Most new financial projects struggle for users. Pi already has a massive, eager base. The big question for years: when will Pi be useful? This partnership finally provides an answer. By integrating with SidraBank, Pi coins could become a real medium of exchange in an ethical, interest-free economy. Pioneers could use Pi for payments, investments, and financial services within the new ecosystem. This scale gives the project a huge advantage: instant feedback and rapid iteration from millions. It's a launchpad unlike anything finance or tech has seen before. The Pi-Sidra alliance could turn crypto's biggest community into a real economic force. So, what happens when you combine Pi's reach with Sidra's banking model? Enter the Pi Nexus Autonomous Banking Network. It's a sci-fi vision, blockchain, and AI creating a self-governing, global financial system. AI will automate everything: transaction checks, compliance, resource management, making banking faster and cheaper. No more waiting days for transfers. The Nexus aims for instant, low-fee transactions worldwide. This decentralized, code-driven network isn't controlled by any one company or government. It's designed to be resilient, censorship-resistant, and truly for the people. The Pi Nexus is still in testing, but previews are already rolling out to users. Imagine your bank as an intelligent network on your phone, working for you 24/7. If they succeed, banking could become more accessible, efficient, and fair than ever before. It's a radical shift in who holds power in finance. Let's look under the hood at the tech powering this revolution. Both Pi Network and SidraBank are built on blockchain, secure, transparent, and permanent. Pi is integrating with Stellar, a fast, low-cost blockchain perfect for payments and token issuance. SidraBank is building its own mainnet and decentralized exchange, giving users direct control and peer-to-peer trading. The real game changer? SidraBank's partnership with NVIDIA's Inception program. NVIDIA's AI expertise and hardware will help power the Pi Nexus's complex global AI systems. This means real-time fraud detection, resource management, and millions of transactions handled seamlessly. By leveraging top-tier tech, SidraBank and Pi are building a financial system ready for global scale. This isn't just another crypto project, it's industrial-strength infrastructure. The collaboration with NVIDIA signals they're serious about AI-driven finance. The future of banking is being built with the best tools available. Building a new global financial system takes time. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Many features are still in development or early testing, especially the Pi Nexus. SidraBank's mainnet and exchange are advancing, and Pi's own mainnet is expected in 2026. Each update, like Nexus previews and improved staking, lays another brick in the foundation. The teams are prioritizing security and stability over speed, which is the right call for people's money. For pioneers, the wait is almost over. Soon, they'll be the first to use and shape this new world. Their feedback and patience are crucial to success. This journey requires a pioneering spirit and a willingness to be part of something truly new. The next few years will determine if this experiment can deliver on its promise. The vision is grand, the work is ongoing, and the world is watching. Big promises bring big reactions, and the Pi-Sidra partnership is no exception. The Pi community is buzzing with excitement, seeing this as the moment their efforts pay off. Forums are filled with speculation about Pi's value and the future of ethical decentralized banking. This optimism fuels engagement and momentum, turning users into evangelists. But there's also healthy skepticism from crypto experts and analysts. They recognize the ambition, but want to see real results: a working mainnet, scalable AI, and global adoption. Skepticism keeps the project grounded and developers accountable. The mix of hype and doubt creates a balanced perspective. Can the tech scale to millions? Can it navigate global regulations? Can AI be truly secure? Success depends on converting skeptics by delivering on promises. Only real-world results will prove if this vision is more than just a dream. Let's zoom out. What does this all mean? Pi Network's massive community, SidraBank's ethical model, AI-driven Nexus, and NVIDIA's backing form a blueprint for a new financial era. This isn't just another crypto or banking app. It's a shot at building a global, decentralized, interest-free system. If it works, billions could gain access to fair, modern financial services, especially the world's 1.8 billion Muslims. But the appeal is universal. In an age of distrust, a transparent community-run network could empower anyone left out by traditional banks. This project fuses crypto, AI, and ethical finance into a bold experiment in economic engineering. It challenges what a bank is and who it should serve. The risks are huge, but so is the potential. Whatever happens, Pi and SidraBank have already changed the conversation about what's possible in finance. We may be witnessing the dawn of a new era.